All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and today we're doing a, update on the new shop, or the lower shop. In case you don't know, in case you haven't seen the video, we're adding another shop. Now, it is not attached to our current shop. It is actually the building behind us. There's 2 levels. Upstairs used to be a muffler shop, currently closed. The lower shop used to be a import shop kind of thing, and they had a Mercedes-Benz diesel catch on fire. So there was a fire in this building, and it's been vacant for several years now. And my boss has leased it, so we now have access to the lower shop. We don't have access to the upper shop, but Bam Bam, Daniel, and Zach are going to be moving down here. So I figured I would, show you what's up. All right, so the new lifts are in. Now, it's a little weird of a setup because, space. It is deeper than it is long. So we have fit 6 lifts in here. I'll put a picture up here. We actually sat down here with my truck, Zach's truck, Daniel's truck, and Bam Bam's truck. And we're making sure we could actually fit vehicles in the bays, so we can. So we got the first bay right there next to the alignment rack. Second bay. Third bay. We've got a 4th bay in the corner. And a good bit of empty space right there for equipment and toolboxes and such. Might be a little tight at times getting in here, but it is definitely easily doable. And then the probably 2 best bays, Bam Bam's already said he's taking those. He has seniority, and he will be the shop foreman down here, so he gets those bays. The oil supply is actually not staying there. They're being moved to be determined exactly whether it all stays together as one unit and goes under the stairs or gets moved and split up on this wall. Still be determined. That's some stuff from the old shop that got kind of left. I don't know how good it's going to be considering, it was in a fire. Back in this corner used to be the bathroom, and it is going to be the bathroom again. The landlord has to build a building, and it's going to be tight because it's basically going to be where that drain comes in. There's going to be a wall there, and that's going to be it. So it's going to be a water closet. Of course, we got a computer stand down here with dual monitors. In case you don't know, everything we do is electronic. Our management system is, everybody's got a workstation. As you can see, we've got Ethernet plumbed in already. We actually have Ethernet already in here. Sorry about the echo, but there's nothing I can do on that. Boss is doing the air system right now. I don't know if I'm going to be able to show them. I might be able to show those. New reels going in, new power reels going in. Some of this stuff is going to be nicer than what we have in the upper shop. Because, new. Monster reel, by the way. Ball crank premium reels. Of course, we're doing matching lifts down here, rotary. That's our new exhaust system. Obviously, because of the building layout, we got to have exhaust if we're running a vehicle inside. So the installation company is still working on that. The waste oil heater from Energy Logic is actually, it survived the fire. That is the one that the landlord installed back in the day, and it actually still works really well. Being in the south, we don't need heat as much as y'all up north, but we do need heat, so we use waste oil in the upper shop, and we're going to use waste oil down here. Those are the pieces for the exhaust system. so Bam Bam and them don't die. There's going to be some tightness on some of the lifts. There's just no way around that. Trying to fit the maximum number of bays in the space. But again, we have actually tested everything, and everything will fit with trucks. So they'll definitely fit, BMWs and the like down here. The electricians were actually in here doing the wiring earlier. The lifts might actually work. They do. Of course, lighting, all LEDs, even those old high top bay things are actually LEDs. They are not the old buzzy high bay lights, so they are LEDs, so that's cool. I hope you enjoyed the update on the lower shop. Bam Bam and them should be moving in here pretty soon. As always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.